Hey guys, so massive day in crypto. This time everything is dumping, and you can call me crazy, but I actually like when we have pumps or dumps. I hate when crypto is staying basically stagnating, because you can actually make money when we are going down as well by shorting the market or longing the market. That's why here you can see the volume is insane. Always when everything is going up or down, the volume increases because people are either buying or selling. Now, why this is happening is, I think the biggest thing is that Trump basically said that the tariffs are going forward, the 25% for Mexico and Canada, because these were, I think, postponed by 1 month, and now we are February 25th, so the tariffs are going forward. That's why people are panicking. It's quite funny to me because we are still, in my opinion, in a bull market. Crypto hasn't experienced the euphoria. Now, the Solana has been dumping the most, and that's the reason why I actually bought some. I had some money on sidelines because I think still Solana is the strongest coin in 2024, 2025. And if you look at that last month, you can see we are almost 2x down. So looking at these prices, the upside is enormous. That's why I am quite bullish on crypto right now. What I am doing personally, I am going basically on Bullex. There are many new meme coins created still every second, every minute, and you can also find many opportunities in these bad markets. You just have to understand how it works and just look at the overall volume. Okay, I understand it is much more riskier, but again, high risk, high reward. But still, if you are new, I would recommend you to not touch meme coins. But if you want to sign up and be ready when everything actually starts going crazy again and we experience the crypto euphoria, crypto bull market, you can sign up to Bullex, the best trading platform. Invite link is in the description. Also, by using Bullex and trading on Bullex, you are qualifying for an airdrop. So they will be basically dropping, I think $85 million Bullex tokens. So right now it's loading for some reason. And if you are looking at crypto fundraising, millions of dollars are being invested in different crypto projects. You can see $141 million since February 20th. So in 4 days, $141 million invested in different projects. So layer 3 is one of my favorite projects where you can actually farm airdrops. That's what I'm doing right now as well. I'm going on layer 3, participating in different tasks, quests, and you are earning multiple, up to 20, maybe in 40 airdrops by using the layer 3. You can see Polychain Capital invested 100 million in Athena, which is insane. $100 million is crazy. Here you see $1.5 billion liquidated in the last 24 hours, which is insane. Here you can see 1.3 billion in leverage longs liquidated because people thought that we went to 90,000, 89,000, that Bitcoin will not go lower, that we will go higher. That's why people longed the market, and when it went down, that's when people lost money, 1.5 billion. That's why I don't understand why people are longing and shorting in these, in crypto markets, because crypto is going down and up like 100% in few weeks, and people still are not, they are not enough with those price swings. They want to earn money, basically introduce or put more risk on their money and going basically leverage on longs and shorts. That's insane. It looks like Kanye West meme coin is delayed, which is basically understandable. Dave Portnoy is not talking about meme coins as well. I think if we look at the LA Vape Cabal haven't talked about meme coins or crypto or being on X for the last 4 to 5 days, I think Dave Portnoy is most likely in the trouble as well. That's why, again, crazy times. I like when crypto is pumping or dumping because there is so much news, so much activity. And I think Bitcoin will probably start going up shortly. I don't think we will go much lower. And smart and rich people will most likely start buying. And this video is not a financial advice, that's just my own opinion. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.